I purchased the Chefman Air Fryer. In this video, I will be unboxing the Chefman's Air Fryer. As I was unboxing it, I was noticing how well it was packed for shipping. It's a very nice looking air fryer, and what I noticed, it seems to be very well built. This is the Chefman's Air Frying Manual I'm showing you, and in the content it says the first part is safety instruction, features, operation instructions, tips, cleaning, maintenance, FAQ, terms, conditions, and warranty card. This is what exists in this manual. When I finish unboxing all the parts, I will come through and show you each individual part. This part is a removable drip tray. I'm putting in the removable racks. You get 2 removable racks with the Chefman. This part is the rotisserie basket. This part is the rotisserie retrieval tool. This part is the rotisserie spit. These next parts are the rotisserie forks with removable screws, and you get 2 screws. It's a nice size to hold a chicken or a roast. I'm just showing you how the rotisserie retrieval tool works.